So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment AI in accounting week first assignment. So the first question is from the following identify which one is not a branch of accounting. So these are the options: management accounting, cost accounting, tax accounting, financial accounting. So the answer of our first question is the tax accounting. Now the second question is final accounts must be prepared on a periodic basis rather than waiting till dissolution of business is due to dash. So these are the option: dual concept, cost concept, accounting period concept, money measurement concept. So the answer of second question is C, accounting period concept. Now the third question is identify from the following which one is not a step in the accounting cycle. So these are the option: identifying transactions, preparing a trial balance, conducting an external audit, posting transactions to the ledger. So the answer of our third question is also C, conducting an external audit. Now the fourth question is financial statements consist of dash profit and loss account and the schedules and notes forming part thereof. So these are the option: assets, liabilities, balance sheet, loans. So the answer of fourth question all is C, balance sheet. Now the fifth question is select the correct accounting equation. So these are the option: liabilities barabar equal to capital plus assets, capital equal to assets plus liabilities, liabilities plus capital equal to assets, liabilities minus capital equal to assets. So the answer of our fifth question is A. Now the sixth question is fixed assets as recorded at cost minus depreciation, not at a realizable value because of dash. So these are the option: going concern concept, matching concept, entity concept, accrual concept. So the answer of our sixth question is also a going concern concept. Now question seventh is from the following identify who is considered as an internal user of accounting information. So these are the option: government, investor, employees, suppliers. So the answer of seventh question is C, employees. Now the eighth question is what is the primary purpose of preparing a trial balance. So these are the option and the answer of eighth question is B, to ensure all legal entries are properly balanced. Now the ninth question is from the following identify the investing activities in a cash flow statement. So these are the option: issuing shares, purchasing machinery, paying dividends, received payment from customers. So the answer of ninth question is B, purchasing machinery. Now the tenth question is as per dash accounting concept owner of business is credited. So these are the option: going concern, entity concept, matching concept, accrual concept. So the answer of tenth question is B, entity concept. Now submit your answer.